What's good, YouTube? This your boy K-Love762. Today we back here again with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a review on the Glock 23 Gen 3. I know she look nice, y'all. Check her out. But with that being said, I'll get back to y'all when I get inside. All right, y'all. So I got the Glock 23 Gen 3 right here. Without further ado, we'll get straight to it. Let's do it.
Are you anticipating the shot? After the ball, right? And you to him on Calvin.
First couple shots out of it really wasn't too bad. You could definitely feel the snappiness with the shorter barrel, but so far so good. I'm liking it. We finna just load back up. Yeah, I forgot to show y'all what I'm shooting. I'm shooting Mag Tech, 180 grams. I'll show y'all what I hit. First couple shots. That's what I hit. First couple shots. And I'm also using this 15 round magazine right here. That fit in the 23. You could definitely see the snappiness, but if you ask me, I'm liking it. I say this way better than that Smith & Wesson that I shot for the last video, for sure. If we're just comparing the 240s. All right, y'all, so we hot, we load it back up. Get ready to sit them down again. See how we do this time. See how we're looking. Yeah, she definitely running. And them boots, not too bad for 40. Right where we kind of need to be. Right on target. I can see why people like this 20. You know, as carry, especially for 40. I could dig it. And it's pretty accurate too. Definitely got to give it that. But I definitely see the snappiness that, you know, people say the 23 have in it. My preference, I really prefer more of a full-size guns. I know I probably say this in every video. That's just my type of stilo, but it's not bad though. Not bad. All right, y'all, so we load it back up. Send a couple more down.
That's all, I haven't shot yet. Hey.
They all on target. Yeah, we looking good though. Looking good. We're gonna load back up. Let's go around. I usually don't aim for the head, but you can see if we can get some head shots in. Let's see how that's looking with the 40. So far, so good. This thing running like butter. Haven't had a jam yet. I don't want to jinx it either. Try to load that last one. You just run like this. Ready. Let's see if I can head tap the target. For some reason, I was head tapping them, but for some reason I was kind of pulling it a little bit towards the air a little bit. We're gonna try that again for the second time. Let's see what we hit. See how it's looking for the second go around. But so far so good, man. This 23 really not disappointing. All right, y'all. So we load it back up. Gonna see if I can tap the head more better this time. See if I can stay in there. Stay within. Much better that time, much better that time. Check it out. Still kind of got a couple shots, off to the left, just a slight little bit, but look much better. A human head is not that small, but y'all get the point. Still looking pretty good. So we finna go back to the body shots. And this time I'm gonna aim at the X and see what I can hit. Gonna try aiming for the X this time. See what we can hit. Staying hot too. Let's get to it. You have to watch all the other. See, and that's why you wear eye protection, because one of the shells just got caught in my glasses. So it's looking like I hit the X one time. Them groups still pretty good though. Gonna finish off these last little couple rounds that we got right here. Alright, so this is the last little bit of rounds right here. Let's just go ahead and sit them down. Woo. Thing was running. Glock 23. Yeah, I like that thing right there. It's nice. So with that being said, that's it for the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.